Stampers, this is Dawn, and today we're going to make my November thank you notes. Aren't they cute? So we're using the crushed curry, crumb cake, pear pizzazz, and pumpkin pie. We're going to make the crumb cake version today. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so this month we're using 3 stamp sets for my thank you notes. Normally I try to keep it down to at least 1 stamp set, but I wanted to use this sleeve from the Colorful Seasons. So cute. Then the Modern Heart is going to give me my watermark right here. And then the Winter Woods is the Thinking of You this season. So those are the 3 stamp sets we're using for this month's thank you notes. Okay, so let's start with the measurements. We're going to use the Whisper White. This is cut at 2 3/4 by 8 1/2, and then scored at 4 1/4. The Crumb Cake cardstock. This is cut at 4 by 2 1/2. Then this piece of Whisper White is cut at 2 1/4 by 3 3/4. Okay, so let's grab our stamps. I'm going to use the leaf and the greeting, and then of course the watermark. So we're going to use the Crumb Cake Classic ink. We're going to stamp our watermark first. So what we're going to do is we're going to ink this up, and we're going to do the 2nd generation stamping technique. So this is when you ink up your image, full ink, and then you're going to stamp off. And then you're going to use the 2nd generation, which is what's left on that stamp, and stamp it onto the Whisper White. Just like that. So it kind of lightens the color. I didn't want it too dark because I wanted the leaf to show. And we're going to use the Memento ink for that and the greeting. Okay, so now we're going to stamp the greeting, Thinking of You this season. And this should fit right down here below the image. Stamp that right about there. Hopefully that's straight. Looks pretty good. All right, so now we're just going to add some rhinestones. Let me grab those. Just going to randomly put 2 rhinestones on the base around the leaves. Right there. Isn't it so pretty? Some snail. I'm going to layer this onto the crumb cake. Okay, so there's the crumb cake. There's the crushed curry, pumpkin pie, and the pear pizzazz. Okay, so those are my November thank you notes. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'll have all the items listed below, and then also subscribe to my YouTube channel so you don't miss any future videos. Okay, so thanks for stopping by, and we'll see you later. Bye.